Guys, so today we are going to discuss about 20 most important chemistry MCQs of atomic structure. So the first question is atomic theories of matter was given by. The first option is Avogadro, Dalton, Newton and Pascal. So we know that about the atomic theory was given by Dalton. So option B is correct here. The second one is atomic size is of the order of. We all know about the atomic size of, that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, but here we convert meter into centimeter, then we will get 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter here option A is correct here. The third, the fundamental particle that composed an atom. We all know about that the atom is made up with particle proton, electron and neutron, hence the option C is correct. The size of nucleus is measured in mu, angstrom, centimeter and Fermi. We all know the size of nucleus is measured in Fermi, and 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So option D is correct here. The radius of an atomic nucleus is the order of 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter, C 10 to the power minus 15 centimeter, D 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. We already told you that the size of nucleus is approximately 10 to the power minus 15 meter. That means Fermi. We will convert meter into centimeter, then we will get 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter here. The next one is the nucleus of atom is consist of. Option A is correct here, proton and neutron. We all know about the proton and neutron stay in nucleus and the electron revolve in circular path around the nucleus. Hence option A is correct here. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a nucleon? So we know that nucleon are that particle which stay in nucleus, and we know in nucleus only proton and neutron is exist. Hence option A is proton, B is electron, C is neutron and D is positron. So here B is correct. That is electron, because electron don't exist in nucleus, and and proton and neutron exist in nucleus. Question number 8. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the electron inside an atom are option A stationary, B centralized, non-stationary, D none of these. As we know that Rutherford told that the electron revolves around the circular orbit. Hence, electron is non-stationary. The option C is correct. Rutherford alpha scattering experiment related to size of the nucleus. Option A is correct. Discovery of the nucleus of an atom was due to the experiment carried out by the. We know that the nucleus has been known by the experimental verification of Rutherford. Hence, option B is correct. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its atomic mass is 12. How many are there protons in the nucleus? We know that the atomic numbers indicate the number of electrons. If the number of electrons is 6, then it is definitely sure that the number of proton will also 6. Hence option A is correct. When helium atom loses electron, then it becomes. We know that when helium atom lose an electron, then it will get a positive charge. Hence it will create a positive helium ion. Option B is correct. The absolute value of charge on electron was determined by. The first option is J.J. Thomson, B. R.A. Mulliken, C. Rutherford, D. Chadwick. We all know about the charge on electron, that is negative 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. But it was just determined by the R.A. Mulliken first. Hence, option B is correct. Electron moves around the nucleus in translatory, spin, C orbital and vibration. We all know that electron revolves in orbital. Hence, option C is correct. An atom has 2 electrons in K cell, 8 electron in L cell and 6 electron in M cell. The number of electrons present in S orbital is given by. Here we can understand simply 2 electrons in K cell, 8 electrons in L cell and 6 electrons in M cell. The number of electrons present in S orbital. It means we have 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6. It means we have 16 electrons. When we will do the electronic configuration of 16, then we will get 6 electrons are present in s orbital. The proton is heavier than the electron. 187 times, 1837 times, 3837 times, 2837 times. This is the very important question and we have to understand it, that 1837 times. Option B is correct. Cn minus ion is isoelectric with N2CO both A and B did not. The isoelectric are that in which the number of electrons are same. Hence Cn minus have 14 electron and N2 also have 14 electrons, CO also have 14 electron. Hence option C is correct, both N and B. Which of the following is the maximum number of electrons that can be present in M cell? The first option is 2, the second one is 8 and C 18 and other one is 32. Hence option C is correct, that is 18. The next question is electrons in the highest energy level of an atom are called valence electron, orbital proton, valence electron, d orbital. Hence option A and C both are correct because they are same. Hence valence electron. The outermost orbital, the outermost electron is known as the valence electron, that is high energy electron. Which two basic forces are able to provide an attractive force between two neutrons? Between two neutrons, gravitational force and nuclear force exist. Hence option A and C is correct. When a bond is formed between two atoms, the energy so system will one increase, decrease, remain same, may increase. We know that when it form a bond between two atoms, then energy decrease, due to which its stability increase. Hence option B is correct. Element having atomic number 29 is related to. We also know that element 29, that is copper, is related to D block. 23. Cathode rays are stream of alpha particle, stream of electrons, electromagnetic waves, radiation. The option B is correct. Stream of electrons. We know that when a stream of electron is heated, then cathode rays obtained. Thanks, guys.